So you've decided that your under eye area is just bothering you and you've got to do something about it. Well, I have the solution, and it is PRP, which is stem cells, platelet-rich plasma, injected underneath your eyes. The reason I love this is because when we do filler in that area, sometimes the skin is too thin and you can actually see the filler line, which is not the look we're going for. But with PRP, we're not going to have that. This is a sort of a gel that's going to be of your own stem cells injected in to restore volume. But by restoring volume, it's doing it with your own body functions. So collagen gets called in, skin gets thicker, you don't have under eye hollows any longer, you've got that nice plumpy under eye. So how do you prepare for this? So really with any stem cells, the thing that we need is a little bit of inflammation, because while we do not want massive inflammation across our entire bodies, inflammation is healing. So just like when you run and you have sore muscles the next day, that is inflammation, and it is rebuilding your muscle tissues. So there is some good inflammation, and PRP, PRFM stimulate that good inflammation. So for 3 days prior, we are going to ask you to not take any sort of anti-inflammatory. So if you are taking low-dose naltrexone, aspirin, ibuprofen, anything in that realm, we're going to ask you to hold that, because we want to create some inflammation. And then for 3 days post-injections. All stem cells are done in a series of 3. So you would just kind of have to plan around that a little bit. Not a huge thing that you have to do, but just 6 days of not taking any anti-inflammatories to give those little baby stem cells all the best chances for restoring your under eye beautiful area. I would be so excited to chat with you about this. Drop a line, schedule a consultation, send me a carrier pigeon, do something. Let me answer your questions.